Today we would like to introduce our SEWPRO 2153B model machine. It's a top and bottom zigzag, and what special about this machine, it has extra wide zigzag. It allows you to go up to 12 millimeters in width. Here we've done some sewing on neoprene, which is kind of hard to feed on the regular zigzag, but with the top and bottom it's very simple. It goes through very steady, and here we sewed two pieces on top of each other. And what interesting about this machine, when you go wide zigzag, it compensates timing and allows you to stitch wide zigzag without skipping any stitches. So it also has a self-oiling pump. It pumps oil as you go. And I'll just run a piece and show you how it works. So I just ran this piece here.